علي maluinsin sa lewar nga miragoy etal mamesseria Meang el Chais ra TMC nga gangkla Ngeldei Tulop. Masel mawat Meang el Chais saris ar other Palau mar other akwam amla masubari motmak and celebrate the 31st Independence Day of Palau. Etal celebration adim narir sel abay el ngarir akwam. Governor Ayos Rudim ma Vice President Reynold Palau amla sabari mong matobinggal Governor Leon Guerrero Governor akwam and celebrate the time maklabo galsils. Asal maangarul Meang el Chais sarid selbes el wage increase rabelau a MLE's post-pandemic inflation. There are experts akmuset talbes el increase ra wage awul marputogal shabay amla increase sa aral aklalo. Ita reduce sel benefit in more workers. Sal maangadal Meang el Chais sarid mlamot abelaw na motri Iraq ral passer sel Sex Offender Registration Act. Detailed public online registry adragalbon online due to funding challenges. There are officials ang area internal records lolap at mga laureate Labangela Carnegie Mellon University and Merulital Digital System. Sa madrak Meang el Chais sarid Palau masyabal at mga laureate elgira la sustainable development ma tourism. Minister ngiray balast matu el madirector alang yani masubda amla subari mit elementary partners sarid rashabal and masada clean energy green transport madirect al best technology projects aware said 2026 Pacific Islands Forum. Direct tara Chais amarigal amla increase sa military presence sa ngira at sila Plural Micronesia. Lolab lolab ab es radar sites ma airstrips sa Palau. Ngariar adra ngila rangir tel protection tindirak kal ngariar ad el bikra rangir el girel abalu emotara target tara mirigel masina. Direk tara Chais are other Pacific Island nations logi sa Blue Pacific Ocean of Peace Declaration are asking for cooperation, stability, and freedom from conflict. Sa madarik katara Meang el Chais, sa 2025 ICUN World Conservation Congress, surang S. Whips Jr. amla sabel mong masalar sa ocean conservation ma climate efforts sa Palau. Promoting traditional practices, regional projects, ma global cooperation, and masabak marine life, supporting renewable energy, e oppose sa deep sea mining. Direk tara Chais Palau amdas el Merulital 80% National Marine Sanctuary and mo 50% at Shabal's request. Tiang away a possible fishing profits against the toil masabak rabalu shuang ma role in ocean conservation. Tara direk Meang el Chais American amle offer a Palau a 6 million in aid for resettlement of 75 refugees. Our other Senate amle rejected tal offer due to limited resources, ma social concerns or other abalu. Sa last in Meang el Chais sarid our other Palau pledge amle sisak rather pagyagarel ngalga Palau el girel abaluat el girel adabet logi wasyuang matuarak science and Malaysia ira pride maker el girel abaluat. Malaway say ay gaid am lasben Meang el Chais sarid el alsils akumal masal mlasam miltunin. Just lolmay malamakal tater yidra agoy pamgarikl and have a great weekend.